Got the wire on the fence. I have to redo this fence line here. It's the poles are all rotten. We're gonna move it down to where that string is down there. So it'll be further away from the house and more straight. I thought this tree was dead, but it's just dormant. I checked it and the buds are coming back. Okay, so let's go up here and check how it looks. I cut this tree down and put it in our greenhouse in this area right here. It mocks it up, bottom won't do for me. Yes. So today we were taking some nice dirt out of this spot. This rotten old tree. I'll finish cutting that out. Okay, so here's the fence. Got 4 wires on, all the poles in. We got to redo this line. So I'm gonna put in 3 trout ponds. Put 1 pond right here, 1 pond right here, and the other pond down there. Hopefully we'll have 3 of them. And then we can plant bananas and cassava and other fruit trees in this area. This will give us more planting area. We just don't have enough in that area. And as slow as the bananas are growing, that we got to plant more of them. Look at her. Looks like she's hunting something. Been a nice day today. Got a lot of trees cut yesterday. Some cut up today, made some boards. Got poles, all the fence poles in and the wire on. Planning. Actually, we went and took all the bags the papayas were in and replanted them into different soil. Because I had those papayas just aren't growing, and I looked at the soil and it was pretty clay, so I took the clay bags, moved them out here and put trees in them. I don't think the trees are going to care that much about the clay. Papaya's a heavy feeder, so we put these bags the papayas were in, plant trees in for the most part. And then we're filling bags here today. What we did is we transplanted all those papayas into new soil, and they already look better. Look at this. They already look greener. Can't believe it. This morning. So now hopefully our papayas will take off. They're just sitting, they weren't growing in that clay, so hopefully with this new soil they'll grow. Let's see, we got hot pepper.
That's a summer rat.
That's a little ginger coming up there. Boy, that cucumber's starting to grow finally. Look at it.
It's really gross.
1 kale plant left on that row that made it from all the worms cutting.
This one?
Yep, that's the only one that made it from the first planting.
That's even all.
Yep. Beans are starting to set fruit. Getting tiny little green beans. Look at this.
I don't know. I could.
So soon we will have green beans to eat. Yep. The carrots are still here, thankfully. All right, I gotta go cut grass for the
Wait.
koi. I have to go out and cut it back in the pasture.
Daddy,
What are you eating?
Just later on, so I won't drink the juice fast.
These are gonna be poles for to replace that line between the house and the garden area. So today, we've been having a problem with the little cow sneaking the cow's milk, sticking its head through the crack here, sucking its mom. So we took care of that problem, put a new strip on there so she cannot suck her mom in the night so we can get milk. Hopefully they'll take care of the problem. She's growing a lot. Yep.
That way from creek. That creek is deep alone. Johnny and Dee commitment is coming. Yeah, but it's my soul.
Really? Here's a muddy blocker. I still got to cut the rest of this pasture. Started cutting it, haven't finished yet. Back here, we have a wet spot that the grass that the koi need to eat grows. So we come back here to get it. It's we have a few other spots it grows in the property, but back here is where most of it is. We're heading there right now. These three pastures in the back, I've never even been on much. They're so far enough away from the house. We have enough land we're working with in the front. We don't really get to look at them much, except I come back to get grass for the koi. Check on this one. Yeah, this one, it needs to be chopped too. Look at that heel. This is our biggest pasture actually. It's got about one muddy section here in the front, right there. That's where the grass will be cut for the koi, for the guinea pigs. This whole section here has got all that grass the guinea pigs like. It's kind of wet here, and it grows. This whole section. They say there's gold in this ground here. Lots of quartz in the ground. Somebody told me there's gold here too. We've never checked out yet, but kind of wet. All the grass grows here.
That pineapple sack that grows. Apple shouldn't really don't mind us that. I'll still do apple seeds.
There's so many quartz crystals in that ground, it looks white. Look at this. Little quartz crystals. All in this ground. The whole area is full of small white quartz. This whole area.